So for today's lab, we're going to be looking at two different substances. One will be a Cheeto and one will be a marshmallow. So one lab station will have two sides. One side the marshmallow, the other side the Cheeto. So I'm going to show you how to make the apparatus. You will need a soda can. It will be empty at first. But you will need 50 milliliters of water to pour into the soda can. That water can come from the sinks for this lab. If your sink is broken, please let me know and we will go to another sink, or we can get a bucket of water. Again, when you're done, simply put it back where it belongs, which would be your bin. You will find a metal rod to place through the soda can so that it hangs. So soda can with water is now hanging. We now have to set up your sample. So we have a foil to protect the surface. You will have a paper clip that you will arrange as a tripod, and you will stick your sample on there. Sample will go underneath, attempting to be in the center. Then you will have someone else hold the thermometer for you. So you might need to have two partners. You do not ever let go of this thermometer unless it's in the bin. In the bin nicely, let go. Your next step then is to take your source of ignition. Don't forget, we're trying to learn the fire triangle. We have a fuel, we have plenty of oxygen, and we now have the heat source. Before you do any of this though, you must have on your goggles, and you must have on an apron. And then you will use your source to light the substance from underneath. You want the heat to start at the bottom and then let it grow through. Once it starts to light, you may take this and put it away, but please put it back in the bin. If you feel this is scary, move the bin away. That will conduct your lab. For cleanup, you're simply going to try to take the paper clip, remove as much of the food as you possibly can. This will go in the trash, and this will go back into your bin. The bottom of the soda can may possibly have black charcoal. You can use the sinks to try to wipe it off and clean it, and these return to the bin. I hope you enjoy your lab and learned a lot from this investigation.